If you want to make your data stand out, you can use the Charts widget. This widget is part of the premium version of the A-Teams add-ons for Elementor plugin. To use this widget, we're going to activate it first from the A-Teams add-ons dashboard. First, we will use the search field and look for it, and then simply click this toggle to activate the widget. Now simply create a new Elementor page or visit the page where you want to add this widget. Use the search field to look for it and drag it into the page, and let's start customizing. You can see it already has some default data with some nice effects when you hover over. Let's have a look at the chart types first. So first we have the bar, which is like this, but there are many other chart types that you can choose from, like line for example, pie, donut, radar, and polar area. Let's keep it on bar. You can give your chart a title and a subtitle. You can change the alignment. Next up, we're going to look at how data is added to this chart. So let's check this one out. First of all, you can see that the items here in this list can be data group, which in our case is students, or data item, which in our case is, let's see, first grade, second grade, and third grade. So each set of data that you add needs to be added inside the data group. To further illustrate this, we're going to add a new data group, let's say teachers. Okay. And now let's add first grade. Change it to data item and leave the value like this, or change it if you want. Let's maybe change also the styling. So for each data item you can just click the style tab and you have access to a bunch of different options. Let's do it like this. We're going to copy this color so we can also edit for the border. Okay. Nice. And now simply duplicate this. Second grade and third grade. Okay. Alter the values as you need. Okay. Now we're going to go back to our student group. So this one right here. We're going to grab this color, go to second grade, style tab, add it here as well, also to the third grade. Okay, so now we have the students with this color, and we have the teachers with this color. Okay, let's add the background color. Actually, let's make the background colors match. So this is just black right here. So we're going to add it like this for all the teachers. Okay. Okay, so you can see now the students with green for each grade. So first grade, second grade, third grade, and the teachers with red. You can add as many groups as you need. Just keep in mind that you need to start each group with a data group. It doesn't matter if you add multiple values like we have here, or a single value, like for example like this. Okay, let's move on to the options. You can control several options here, like the height of the chart. You can see how the space between the lines, between the horizontal lines grows. You can add or disable the tooltips or the animations that happen when you first load the chart. You can hide the legend, the one right here, change the alignment or change its position. Let's, for example, you can move it to the left hand side, can move it to the right hand side. You can choose to hide or show the axis. So basically now we have a chart without any axis. Okay, we also have some styling options available. These are some general options for the chart, followed by options for the title and subtitle. You can alter the width of the bars, like this, for example. Okay. The legend also has some options, so you can change the color. You can change the font, but due to limitations of the JavaScript library we're using, you have to edit in this format. You can change the font size, the font weight. You can choose normal or bold. Same thing for the tooltips. You can configure them as needed. Here they are with a different background color. You can change the padding, colors for the titles and the body text. Also, typography options with the same remark as before, that you have to add if you want to change. You're probably not going to want to change from the default font family, but if you want to do that, you have to do it in this format. And that's it. Thank you for watching.